Never have I ever coded something useful, so let's change that today. Anyway, I'm not sure if you can tell, but my thumbnails. But what if an AI could tell me if it's a thumbnail or a thumb fail? To do this, I would need to build an image classifier. But what is an image classifier and how does it work? Pretend that you wanted to sort between cat and dog images. Being hopefully a human, you would ask yourself, is it cute? If yes, then it's a dog. If no, then it's a cat. Actually, wait a minute, this is on the internet. Internet loves cats. You'll ask yourself, is it cute? If it is, then it's a cat, and if it is, but even more so, then it's a dog. Now that process works for humans, even little humans, but it would not work on a computer. To picture how a computer learns, imagine having a room full of little humans. But not just a couple little humans, a lot. Like hundreds of thousands of little humans in a warehouse of little humans. Now imagine after a couple months you gave them a test on whether something was a dog or a cat. Then you take the top 25 little humans and set them aside, and viciously slaughter the rest. Then you clone these babies and repeat the testing again and again and again until you have a sorting machine. Now all we need to do is that, but with a computer. I spent hours sorting through YouTube, taking screenshots manually to make this dataset, to make sure the babies didn't die in vain. And it failed. So many times. This right here is what a whole warehouse of dead babies looks like. Anyway, after a whole lot more failures, I finally got it to work. And I mean a lot of failures. I finally got this. It's not aesthetically pleasing enough. And this is meant to be a tool used by people, so it needs to be. Busting out some GitHub skills, and then I lost all my screen recordings of it. So, a while ago, PewDiePie made a video on how to make a good thumbnail. We're gonna test how good his thumbnail actually was. So to test it, you just run check.bat from the shell. And it worked, and PewDiePie got a 97%. That's actually pretty good. I can't get above a 30. Please remember to like and subscribe to pollute your feed with more trash like this. And if you want to use this tool, just download it from GitHub and the link in the description.